Everyone knows how powerful lemon and garlic are, but few people know that this plant is up to 150 times stronger. Wild oregano has been traditionally used in folk to help fight candida, bacteria, Escherichia coli, and intestinal problems. For tea, I use dried wild oregano, Oreganum vulgare, with flour. It is important that the plant is properly dried and stored. And now I need boiled water. I pour 200 milliliters of boiled water. This is not a tea that is drunk like chamomile. Because of its strength, it was always used sparingly in the people. I will cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. The longer it stands, the tea it is stronger. It is traditionally used for bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort. It is popularly used to strengthen and cleanse the body, and for problems with the urinary tract. I will strain the tea. The tea has a strong, aromatic smell and a bitter taste. It is drunk warm, slowly, in small sips. People usually drink this tea for 7 to 10 days. After that, there is a break. This is not a tea to be drunk all the time. It is usually drunk once or twice a day, always in small quantity, 1 cup. This tea is not for pregnant women, not recommended for children. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.